Whatever you do in Microsoft Edge gets saved in history, and some sort of file is actually saved when you browse normally. But let's say what you want to do is browse in privacy, or let's say, for example, you're using a public computer where you don't want any of your personal data to be saved. In that case, you can utilize something called an InPrivate window. You can access InPrivate window by clicking on the three dot button over here, and over here you can see that new InPrivate window is an option. If I were to go around and click on this, then it opens up a new InPrivate window, and whatever you go around and type in, let's say for example, if I were to type in www.wikipedia.org right here, just like this, then I can go around and search for, let's say for example, Windows 11 right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and search, and this is the page that I viewed. Well, let's say that if I were to use this with regular browsing, the history would be saved. But as this is in InPrivate window, it is separate from your regular window right here. So if I were to go around and close it, and if I were to access my history, then you don't see it anywhere. You don't see Wikipedia just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize InPrivate window to maintain your secrecy of browsing inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.